everyone, I am Madhukalra back with business studies queries of class 12. So today we will be talking about, yes of course I had a talk with you all many of the topics. So I need to choose every time a new topic for you all which will be interesting for you and which will be knowledgeable for you. So I am going to have a query to solve of your query or related to the planning this time. No doubt planning is a very easy chapter and it is easy for you all to do it, but I'll be taking a most typical topic of this chapter, that is what are types of plan. Here we will be talking about the types of plan in new NCERT. When you will be talking about, if you are using the old NCERT, you will be finding over that there is no classification of the types of plan, but here in new NCERT, types of plans are being classified into two categories. Yes, I know you well that two categories, what I'm talking about, you'll be saying that is all written in the NCERT. So what is the use of this video? No, I'll be telling you something important, a twist which is given in NCERT, maybe you have not noticed, so that I'll be talking to you. So let me talk to you about the types of plan. Types of plan given in NCERT is classified under two categories. That is, one is what single use plan and second one is what the standing plans. Yes, the single use which you can use for one time only. You can't reuse it. Basically, take it as you made a plan for an annual function, for a marriage, which can't be used again, but a standing plan which can be used again and again with a little modification according to the situation. Now let me talk to you what types of plans comes under the category of standing plans and what types of plan comes under the category of single use plan. So let me talk to you about the single use plan, and single use plan consists of only two plans, that is what programs and budget. Single use plans only having two plans, programs and budget. Standing plans are having four types of plans in it. These are policy, procedures, methods and rules. These are the four. I'm unable to learn it, so I made a little small, you can say easy to learn, that is double PMR. So you can have P square MR to learn these four points. If you look at the NCERT, you will be finding more than these six. There are two more types of plans discussed in it, that is what strategy and objective. They are not coming any category in single use plan and standing plan, and this is the topic for what I'm making this video, that single use, standing and other plan. Third classification, that is objective and the strategy. So I hope now it is clear to you that types of plans you may classify as single, standing and the other plans. Keep this in mind. The objectives and the strategy are never comes under the category of single use plans as well as nor under the category of standing plans. Take care for it, and maybe this may be included in 1 mark questions, or maybe they come under the in identification you will find in the case studies, or there may be a difference between single and standing. So do not write objectives and strategy as a single or standing plans. They are the other plans as written in the NCERT. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, share it with everyone as well as subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button for the new videos so that you can get a notification for new videos. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.